To secure Azure SQL scale-out, start by understanding the importance of security in a distributed database environment. Azure SQL Database provides a scalable and secure platform for your data, but it requires careful configuration to ensure the security of your scaled-out database. First, enable encryption for your data in transit and at rest. Azure SQL Database provides automatic encryption for data at rest, but you must configure encryption for data in transit. Use Transport Layer Security, or TLS, to encrypt data as it moves between your application and the database. Next, configure firewall rules to control access to your database. Azure SQL Database provides a firewall that allows you to specify which IP addresses have access to your database. Be sure to only allow access from trusted IP addresses and limit access to the minimum required for your application. Then, implement authentication and authorization to control access to your database. Azure SQL Database supports Azure Active Directory authentication, which allows you to manage access to your database using your existing Azure AD identities. Use role-based access control to limit the privileges of each user or application to the minimum required. Additionally, monitor your database for security threats using Azure Security Center. This service provides advanced threat protection and vulnerability assessment to help you identify and mitigate security risks. Finally, regularly update and patch your database to ensure you have the latest security fixes. Azure SQL Database provides automatic patching, but you must ensure that your application is compatible with the latest version of the database. By following these steps, you can help ensure the security of your Azure SQL scale-out database. Remember to always follow best practices for security, including using strong passwords, limiting access to sensitive data, and regularly monitoring your database for security threats.